Hey, what's up, Brent from Brenspeed? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's a 2020 GT today with only 234 miles on it. The Whipple Stage 2 supercharger kit. This car came in, already had a set of Corsa long tube headers. So stick around, we're going to watch a Dyno pull. It's a manual transmission car. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us if to date. Let's go check it out. All right, so here's what we have going. I have Doug with me. We're going to take a look at the Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger. But this 2020 GT, it arrived a long time ago. We've been waiting on the Whipple Supercharger to show up for a long time. There's been a long back order. So we have a ton on order right now to try to speed up the process. But this has been a long wait. It's installed. Doug, check it out. It's a Gen 5. It's a Whipple Supercharger. We have the big 132 throttle body. Of course, you get larger fuel injectors. You get the aftermarket Whipple air induction system. And this does have, again, like I said, the Corsa long tube headers on it. We are today running 100 octane. So you can run 93 octane, add some butane to it, make 100 octane, make a little bit more power. The knock sensor is going to love it. It's going to make some power. Watch this dyno pull. All right, these numbers came out amazing. Remember, manual transmission. And of course, we'd install billet, oil pump gears, and sprocket, as well as rear cylinder head cooling kit, cooler thermostat, big radiator. Hey, I'll put links to all that in the description so you can read more about it. You email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's this cost to get installed? But Doug, come over here. DynoJet, SAE, 718 real horsepower at 7,800 RPM. I love this torque right here. 557 at 5,600 RPM. Right when you go wide open throttle, we're basically in almost peak torque. Look at this sleeper. 2020 GT, 234 miles. You wouldn't even have any clue this is 700 real horsepower Mustang. So I like it a lot. So hey, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. I really appreciate you watching. Have a good day.